Hi guys, just got this crappy old tubular bicycle lock. I've got a key for it. It's locked up. Look. I'm just doing this for the benefit of someone, one of the new guys on the forum. He hasn't got a key. So what I did is I got a pen top, cut it down to size so it fits over the center circle so that it pushes on the pins. Grab hold of it with a pair of pliers so you can apply force. This is lock. You might have to tap it in there first of all before you grab hold of it with the pliers and unlock it like that. Pair of pliers, pen top, boom, turn it, done. Sorted. Thank you.